I got this simple little data set here. I got TV ads, cars sold. So generally speaking, the more TV ads you run, when we run one, we only sell 14 cars or 17 cars. When we run two, we sell 18 cars. And when we sell three, we sell 24 and 27 cars. So generally speaking, as we sell more, do more ads, we sell more cars. Now, in order to do a regression in Microsoft Excel, you need to make sure you have a tool. And the tool we need is in the data ribbon. And it should be data analysis. Now, if you don't see data analysis here, what you're going to have to do is you have to go to options. Now, in a PC, options are under file. And then you go all the way to the bottom here to options. And this menu comes up. And you want to click on add-ins. So if you have a Mac, you're probably going to need to Google install Excel add-ins. So click on add-ins. And then down here at the bottom, you see Excel add-ins. And then click go. And then you should just check analysis toolpack. Another good toolpack to install is the solver add-in. I use that in my analytics courses. So just make sure you have analysis toolpack checkmarked and then click OK. As soon as you do that, you'll see data analysis right there. Okay.